Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about intrapreneur, entrepreneur and employee. We already know what is entrepreneur and what is employee. But what is intrapreneur? Yes, INTRAPRENEUR. So we're going to talk about this. Intrapreneur are usually employed within the organization. It is not as extra. It is someone which is within the organization who are assigned a specific idea or project with instruction to develop it in the same manner as in the entrepreneur does. Okay, which are assigned means what? Which are already assigned for a specific type of project are given for a special person. Okay, a specialist are appointed. Okay, we can take an example. Suppose a lawyer is appointed as a to look after the legal formalities of a company, and that in the same way. Okay, so entrepreneurs are capable individual having the resource of the company at their disposal. Their main objective is to turn the specific project into profitable venture. Means whatever the project is designed, it is not for a research work, it is for a profitable output work. Their main idea is to gain something from what is going on. They are preferred. Okay, it is also referred to be a paid entrepreneur within the organization. Means we can also say they are the entrepreneur who are within the organization and they are paid. They are paid for such amount. Okay, but they are not the employee. They are the entrepreneur who are just kind of entrepreneur who are paid in the organization. They are someone who has an entrepreneur stick but choose their talent with a great organization in a place of creating his own organization. Means what they do, they use their talent in other organization instead of creating their own organization. Okay, they are most successful when management empower and support them. They means what? They are a mostly successful person when what happen when of course this kind of entrepreneur, they need support from the organization. When the entrepreneur support them, they hire them, they support them, they allow them to do the work. Okay, so in this way they can, when they do the work, they earn a, you can say, good amount of results or whatever it is. Okay, so how we can compare with a entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is dependent on the entrepreneur, but entrepreneur is independent in the operation. They are open to move and free to move. Funds are not raised by entrepreneur. Funds and entrepreneur never raised the fund, but who raised the fund? It's entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneur raise the fund, entrepreneur bring the project, and entrepreneur work upon this. Means what? Entrepreneur bring the project and entrepreneur work upon that. Okay, in entrepreneur does not fully bear the risks involved, but entrepreneur have to bear the entire risk involved. Entrepreneur operate from within the organization itself, and entrepreneur have to operate from outside the organization because they are the finder of the project, and in entrepreneur are doer of the project. To make the project successful, a person is required. Okay, then next, basically here we have given you one important view about entrepreneur and employee. We all know entrepreneur is a person who work for himself, and employee is a person who work for others. Entrepreneur work for freedom and entrepreneur work for security. Of course, when you become an entrepreneur, why you become an entrepreneur? So that you can work freely, you can act your job as your own wish. But employee, they want a secure job, so they come under someone, that is someone in the other person, and they work there. Next come, and in entrepreneur himself decides terms and condition, and employee have to follow the term and condition laid by the employer. An entrepreneur face high risk, whereas employee have none to face any risk. Okay, full freedom is enjoyed by the entrepreneur, and there is no freedom for the employee. Entrepreneur are rewarded with profit, and employee are rewarded with salary. Entrepreneur are a solution finder. They find the solution for every problem. And who are the employee do then? Employee are the problem solver. Whatever the problems are given, employee have to solve them. Entrepreneur look into the future, and employee look into the past, what happened before and how we can conclude or take it farther move ahead. Okay, so students, if you like our videos, in our channels, all our videos in our channels, then please do subscribe, like and comment to our channel and our videos.